G'day and welcome back to my channel, Inked Intention Heatwave Edition. It's Christmas Day, Merry Christmas. It's 40 degrees in Perth today, so instead of hiking through the bush, I am hiding inside with the aircon and these. I have 16 of them. Okay, I have them all here and I'm going to be doing a review of these beautiful pens. This is the Jinhao 82. This is a pile of Jinhao 82 fountain pens. And the wild part, all of these, the entire pile, cost me $80. That means each pen is about $5 each. That's less than the cost of a cup of coffee in Subiaco in Perth. So for the price of around one fancy fountain pen, you can get all 16. And this might be the most fun part about this collection. These are like Lego. You can swap them around. I'm going to be making some Franken-pens and showing you exactly what I mean, as well as giving you a writing sample and talking to you about just how much fun these pens are. We're going to be doing Poolside edition as well today. Today, I'm going to show you why these $5 pens might be the most fun part of my entire fountain pen collection. And we're going to be doing a summer poolside collection together as well. If you're new here, the Jinhao 82 is a small, lightweight plastic pen that looks suspiciously like the Pro Gear Slim from Sailor. But instead of costing hundreds of dollars, it costs about $5. I've got blues, pinks, coral, greys, green, avocado, and I'm going to be able to swap all the caps and the little finials on the end and the barrels. You can make infinite combinations. I'm going to build 3 summer combos. First is Watermelon Crush. I'm going to use this one's body, this one's cap, and I think for the seeds, now just when you do this, that's got a little bit of an angle on the end of that. It's narrow at one end of the gold band and wider, and I am going to put the watermelon seeds here. I kind of think that's more watermelon. So now I have my Watermelon Crush. So now for my Seabreeze Blue barrel, white cap. Oh, this is looking good. And white finials. Again, just be careful you don't lose the little gold band. It just pulls off. You don't really have to screw it off. So again, just find the little narrow end, goes outward, narrow end goes outwards, and the white finial pops here. Oh, I'm loving that. That's my Seabreeze. So now I've actually got 3. I've got 2 versions of Ocean Breeze, Seabreeze, and I've got Watermelon Crush. Oh, this already looks like it wants to be by the pool. And finally, we're going to do Limestone Storm. So a little bit like our summer storms. I'm going to make that with grey body and I was going to do white finials, but because I need even more pens. Oh, that's even better than I thought. Now, because it's basically the same temperature as the surface of the sun out here, I'm only popping out long enough to show you how these pens perform in the Perth sunlight. I'll pop out of the shade and we'll have a bit of a look and I'll show you these beautiful color combinations. Here are our builds. This is Watermelon Crush. I think it looks pretty beautiful in the sun. I would never leave my good fountain pens out in the sun. like this, but these will tolerate it for a short time. Here's my Seabreeze. Oh, the colors for that are just gorgeous. That Seabreeze combo, it looks like it was designed to live here. Now we have Limestone Storm. That's pretty. I mean, you could literally put this pen, even with ink, into the pool. You know what's going to happen? Nothing. You just take it apart and dry it out. Let's see what happens if we do put our pen in the pool. So here it is, fully submerged. Oh, I would never do this with any of my good pens, but I happen to know from experience of putting one of these in my washing machine with ink that this will just, you pull it apart, dry it out, everything's perfect. I've actually ordered a few more because I figured out I haven't got enough of the reds or oranges or yellows, and I really love those bright colours, especially it's summer here in Perth. Even though it's Christmas, it's our summer. So for $5, that's about how much coffee you will get in a Perth cafe for $5. Not very much. I even love the noise they make. And I've got a little bit of glitter on this one. They pack a lot of pen. Have a look at this comparison. Here's TWSBI Eco Lamy Safari. This is the Jinhao 82. But posted, it's a pretty decent length of pen. You can see it sits really very nicely in my hand. Let me give you a good shot of that. Sits very nicely in my hand. The color range is just gorgeous. And have a look at this nib. Here's that nib with 2 tones on it. A little Jinhao chariot, some nice little engraving on there. I think this one's a medium. They're usually kind of medium fine or extra fine. The feed's pretty decent. I mean, these are a great little pen. They're so worth it. And the combos that you can make with all the colors, it's just astounding. I mean, I don't know, maybe I don't need any other pens. It does post securely as well. No rattle, literally just pop it on. It's not going to fall off. It'll stop it rolling. But I tell you what, for $5, it's not a big deal. It's less than the loss of a cup of coffee. So, got a nice gold clip. Comes with a converter. So for this price, it's probably not the highest quality converter, but I've certainly had no trouble with them at all. I don't know what else you can buy for $5. It's even got a little O-ring. The cap's got a nicely engraved gold band with the Jinhao logo on it. The clip is a bit stiff, unfortunately, but the rest of the pen's absolutely gorgeous. I don't know what else you can buy that's so beautiful for $5 Australian. So you can see by comparison with the Lamy Safari and the TWSBI Eco, it is a relatively short pen and it's a light pen. If you love big, hefty, heavy pens, it's potentially not going to be for you, but it's substantial enough that you really can write with it. You can take it anywhere, you can throw it in your bag, you can chuck it in your pocket. It's just not going to be a drama to take this pen absolutely anywhere. And even though it looks a bit shorter, if you use it posted, you're going to find it super comfortable. I've inked up our beautiful watermelon crush with red Jinhao ink because pretty's nice, but they've still got to write well as well. So let's see how a $5 fountain pen with a medium nib writes straight out of the box. This is its first ever inking. Wow. It's smooth. It writes really nicely. And this is just a very ordinary ink. This is Jinhao red ink. So, if you're a little bit scared about getting into the world of fountain pens, I'm kind of thinking this one might suit you. You can have a lot of fun with it. Let me know in the comments which combo is your favorite, watermelon, Seabreeze, or Limestone Storm. I want you to stay cool, drink some actual water, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a fabulous Christmas, and thank you so much. So that's me done with the Jinhao 82. I'm going to add more of those to my collection. I think they're a lot of fun, and I hope you have an amazing Christmas day. Thank you for watching my videos, and I'll see you again.